More art and auto repair followed as I helped to promote an exhibit and fashion show at our downtown community outreach location and worked on my SUV with help from my neighbor Cal. I'm on my way to space at Adolphus Tower next. See Cyber Dallas, the show we helped produce for Dallas College collaboration with FGIII Fine Art Productions for April Arts Month. Space at Adolphus Tower is a collaborative environment between the Dallas College Gallery Program, the School of Creative Arts, Entertainment and Design, and FGIII Fine Art Productions.
I've already been under my Tahoe before multiple times, you know, dealing with it, fixing it, working on it.
The kickoff party for the Downtown Dallas Arts and Music Festival coming up this weekend. Cyber Dallas was envisioned by local artist and curator Imani Black as a way to take a visionary perspective on Dallas. Her vision was guided to manifestation by Frankie Garcia, the owner of FGIII Fine Art Productions. The event took a futuristic view of both Dallas art and culture, a viewpoint sorely lacking at the moment in my SUV. Nonetheless, I put my best effort into the repair work, hoping to gain the prize of a functioning vehicle. I met Guillermo Ríos a year ago when he entered his fashion design work in our annual employee exhibit at Dallas College. Guillermo es de Monterrey, México, y sus diseños tienen la vibra del norte, con mucho de denim, una mezcla con la actitud de las calles y los ranchos. His hand-painted faces adding personality to the bold mix of materials.
Thank you so much for being here. It's truly a blessing. It's truly a dream to come up with all of this. It means the world. How about the mic? It means a lot. It means a lot. And I see a lot of faces that I recognize. It means the world. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming and being involved in this art in the move. Enjoy it. Thank you.
I cooled down with an agua mineral and thought of my repair work ahead. And so life lessons come, whether from the hands of a fashion designer, an art show, or a DIY mechanic. Really amazing fashion show put on by Guillermo Ríos, faculty member of Dallas College, super talented fashion designer. So glad to see that collaboration here, space at Adolphus Tower. The School of Creative Arts, Entertainment and Design at Dallas College is a great place for students to come to study the fine arts, to study performance, music, any creative discipline. It's a great way to get started in whatever your career path is. We emphasize at Dallas College workforce education. So the things that the students learn are not just theoretical, but they're applicable to specific careers.
and in the case of the area that we work in, careers in the fine arts.
Looked at the manager straight to his face and was like, give me my keys and get my truck off your lift. I'm gonna go somewhere else because you're trying to sell me some nonsense, dude.